Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vision Writes. So today, as you can see by the title, we're gonna be talking about all my Amazon purchases. So during this quarantine life, I've been just Amazon clicking, buy now, 2-day shipping type vibing, but it's actually things that I needed, you know, not just to go crazy. They were essential items to me, so let's just get started. So a couple things aren't here yet because they're on the way. Don't judge. But so the first thing is actually my phone case. I got a new phone. I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Bae thinks it's Erykah Badu. I mean, I don't know. But it's definitely a cute case. I did get another iPhone case. This is what it looks like. It's so freaking cute. And it has the little fingering right here. And it's just so like vibrant. It's not picking up on camera. It's like a duochrome, but it's blue. Like blue and purple and pinks and stuff. I love this case. I'm gonna save this when I'm actually going out, because in the house it don't make sense, you know, no one's seeing it. And then I also got this other case. It's just a black and gold case. I had something similar to this for my other phone, but it cost me like $80, and I went on Amazon and this was like $19. And so you could wear it as a purse. I'm not gonna undo it, but this is usually what I do. I would wear it as a purse when you go to the club or something and you got your phone on you. And then it has this right here where you can put your ID and your credit card. So I like to have stuff like this for my phone. Another thing that I picked up on Amazon were sticky adhesives for like your pop socket, and you know, like they start to wear out. So I got this case from Target, so we ain't gonna talk about that. But my pop socket, it starts unstick. So I'm like, I'm not about to buy another pop socket because they're not the cheapest thing depending on where you get it from. So I ended up getting the 3M sticky adhesives to help re-stick my pop socket. So if you're a content creator like me, or even if you just like to take your own pictures, I highly recommend getting a Bluetooth remote shutter. I had one, but I've had it for so long that it just died on me basically. So this is what it looks like. It's for iPhones and Androids, and you just hook it up Bluetooth, and then it has the button for each of the, you know, whichever phones you have that way. And that's usually how I take my pictures with my iPhone. So because of this whole pandemic, I had to make sure that I stock up on all my vitamins and everything. But I did pick up this elderberry syrup. It has organic elderberry, raw honey, and apple cider vinegar. If you aren't familiar with elderberry, I highly recommend you go ahead and research all the goodness it has. But it basically boosts your immune system. And you could take 1 teaspoon every 2 hours or as needed. So I usually take this twice a day if I remember. During this whole COVID-19 thing, I'm not in the mood to have a big old purse. Like, I don't want germs on too many things. So I've been putting my keys on this, and then my ID and a couple of my, you know, cards here for me to just run errands, and I could just hold it like this. And then it's like a leatherish, pleatherish material. So all I do when I come home, I just spray it with some disinfectant spray, and then I'm good to go. So make sure you're spraying all your items before you come home. If it's still COVID-19, or even in general, actually, you should probably just do that, because you don't know what germs like is on your wallets, your keys, and everything, because you're touching it outside. So another tech related thing is this media card reader. So what it does, if you have an iPhone, I'm pretty sure they have it for Androids, but this is for iPhone specifically. If you're a content creator like I am, or a photographer or anything like that, then this is something you really need, and I didn't think I needed this until now. So you can take pictures with your DSLR camera with your SD card, and you could put it in here, and then you could put your photos and your content through your phone through this. You can also take your content from your phone to your SD card to then put into your computer. Like, there were times like I am airdropping my content that I record on my phone to my MacBook, and it's like, I'm not doing that. It's so much work. So using this really saves time, and you keep your quality of your content. So you could put it towards your phone, or eject things from your phone to your SD card to then put it on your computer. So grab this, y'all. This literally saved my life. There's gonna be a lot of random things in here, but they were all necessary. So I picked up this little Puma fanny pack. One, because it's super cute, but two, just so I could like run errands. It don't got nothing in it. There we go. Again, I'm not in the mood to have anything big on, so I grabbed this. It's like black and rose gold, super cute. And I had to grab the matching sneakers, so on Amazon I picked up some Puma sneakers, super cute. Again, just for me to just throw on and just go to Target, like whatever, and I'm matching. Next, I picked up the blackhead remover instrument. This is what it looks like. It's a deep pore cleansing and Blu-ray anti-inflammatory. It removes like blackheads if you're like breaking out and stuff like that. Why can't I take it out? It helps you like suck up all that grossness. It helps with like if you have pimples. Also just gets like deep into your crevices, like around your nose and stuff. When you're washing your face, I feel like you can't really grab that all the time. So I've used it once. I like it. I'm gonna keep trying it. You can't do it too often. I also picked up my Mint Sonic. It's a facial cleanser, but also it has two sides where you can wash your face on one side and massage all like your serums and moisturizers into your face, and it vibrates. It has, that's the highest. Okay, it has a whole bunch of settings. And it's rechargeable and it's water resistant. So I really do enjoy this. It's been really like making sure my makeup is off and making sure my face is clean and all that good stuff. So definitely get you this. Like I really do enjoy this, and it's cheaper than like, what's that thing called? I don't remember what it's called, but it's cheaper than that one. So keeping it on skincare, I also picked up this brand that I've always wanted to try. It's called Minimo Healthy Glowy Skin. And I got the Genesis Sulfate Free Facial Cleanser. It has witch hazel, willow bark, turmeric, and vitamin B5. All the ingredients are natural and readable, okay? What I really like about this facial cleanser is that it has all the ingredients you need if you have hyperpigmentation or you're trying to brighten your, like, you know, skin tone healthy. I really do like that. It has like turmeric and all that good stuff. I also got the famous Minimo Glow Turmeric Face Scrub. I've seen this a lot, and I really do like, again, that the ingredients are clean. And you put it on as a face mask and then it turns into a scrub. So I definitely like that it's like a 2-for-1 type thing. If you haven't heard about this stuff, check out their Instagram. They have so many reviews about this glow face scrub, turmeric face scrub, excuse me. And it's so freaking good. And then because I wanted to just continue with their line, I also picked up the Minimal Radiant Skin Brightening Daily Moisturizer with turmeric, beerberry, and licorice root extract. This is so moisturizing. A little bit goes a long way. And again, it has things that aids in brightening your skin tone and have that healthy, radiant glow. So I've been enjoying this. Alright, random. I got this extra huge shower cap. Y'all, I've been rocking wash and goes and twist outs for y'all, and I need to not mush my hair in the shower. So this is super big. Look how big this is. It's gonna cover my whole head. Babe makes fun of me when I come out the shower with this, but you know what? At least my hair is protected, okay? My whole head, my neck, everything. I've been ODing with my nail items. I've been having so much fun buying things for my nails because I've been doing my own nails. But if you want an in-depth video on that, then like this video or tell me in the comments below. Be like, yes, Ambition, show me a whole like video on things I need for nails at home or something like that, and I got you. This literally just came yesterday and I used it yesterday. But it's my professional nail drill machine. The box is ugly, but the machine is cute. But look, it's pink. It's so freaking cute. It's a reverse and forward drill. My other drill wasn't like that. So I really like that I'm not a lefty, but it really like allows me to do the job. And if I didn't say this already, all these items will be in the description bar. So go ahead and check everything out. I also picked up another UV and LED machine. So I like that the bottom comes out. Not all of them can, so you could clean it. But I really like that it's a sidewall to sidewall type gel machine, so you can get your thumbs. Not all of them are like that. I also picked up a whole bunch of stuff for my nails, like different rhinestones, foils. Like I said, I could do an in-depth video for y'all if y'all want that. I don't have to show you all that. Like I said, I have some things on the way. I'm going to be getting nail polish like case to fit my nail polishes. I have like 100 or so nail polish colors, whatever, don't judge. I don't have a place to stack them up like a nail salon, but I will be getting like a plastic case to put them in, to rest them in. I have a whole bunch of cords laying around my house, like iPhone cords, camera cords, TV cords, stuff like that, and it's getting on my last nerves. So I picked up cable ties, is what it's called. Reusable fastening wire organizing cord. And it comes in a pack of 50, and you just like grab your cords and then you just wrap them around. So I bought that, and then I also bought a little case to put the cords in, because you know, like you have a whole bunch of cords all over the house and you're like, where's this cord, where's that cord? I'm not doing it no more. Bam, thank you, ma'am. I use Healthy Hoo Hoo as my feminine washer. I picked that up too. You know, like I told you, Amazon got all my money. Okay, so I picked up 2 feminine washers because I was like, I'm not about to be out in these streets trying to find this. Like I said, I think my favorite purchase has to be my drill and my nail foil. Leave a comment down below your best purchase or favorite purchase that you've gotten from Amazon lately, because I know we're all Amazon shopping. You don't have to lie to me. You don't gotta lie to me, Craig. Okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next one. Bye, guys.